Hi, my name is Geetika. Today I am demonstrating my job screenshot agent, an automated workflow designed to eliminate repetitive manual effort in job tracking and market research. So, typically, collecting job data involves opening multiple links, waiting for pages to load, and manually saving screenshot. So, this becomes inefficient, especially when dealing with broken or restricted links. So, to solve this, I built an agent that works directly from an Excel input file. So, here is the input file, option 1 job links. We need to open it. So it contains 5 job postings with their URLs. Importantly, one of these link is intentionally broken. So I included this to demonstrate how the system handles the real world unreliable data. So the agent does not rely on any pre-labeled columns like status. So it reads every URL as unknown input. And the next step is execution part. So now we need to open command prompt and type code space dot. It opens the VS Code. So to execute, I'll run some commands. First of all, we need to install all the requirements which are needed to this project. So, and the next step, we need to install Chromium, like Playwright Chromium. So next we need to run the agent. So in the background it launches a headless Chromium browser using Playwright. Instead of scraping, which can fail due to dynamic content, it behaves like real users, like load each pages and captures a full image screenshot. So as you can see in the logs, the first few URLs are processed successfully. Now it encounters the broken link. So here, instead of crashing, the agent catches the error, logs it clearly, and continues process the remaining URLs. So this makes the system fault-tolerant and reliable for real-world usage. So, and next it sends email to the receiver. So who are receiving this proper output, so they will get received. So now let's look at the output directory. So we have 4 full page screenshots corresponding to the valid job posting. So each screenshot captures the exact UI as seen by users, ensuring accuracy even for dynamic or protected pages. So here these are the 4 screenshots we have seen. And the final step is automated delivery. So the agent compiles all successful screenshots and send them directly via email. So in this email, all the screenshots are captured, attached, and the summary report is included. It clearly shows which URL is failed and the reason. So instead of manually verifying each link, I receive a complete structured result instantly. So now we can click on each URL and we can see what it's going through. So in the first URL we can see whatever the job contents we have seen, and the next second URL in the Amazon jobs, and third URL it describes about the Figma job presentations, and the final URL we need to sign in. To create a new LinkedIn account, so again open the previous URL. We can see, so it shows like no longer accepting applications. It is open, but it is having some other issues. So the next goes to fail URL. It shows like this sign can't be reached. So it means it is not working. So here is the 4 attachment, the screenshots. This project demonstrates how an agentic system can autonomously execute a multi-step workflow from data ingestion to the browser interaction, error handling, and the final delivery. So making the process very efficient, scalable, and reliable. Thank you.